Hello, Joe.
Oh, hello, Aisling.
Joe, are you okay?
My tooth is sore.
That's lucky.
Lucky?
Yes, lucky, because today you are going to the dentist. You will be delivering a foot pedal, sunglasses, and doggy treats. And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you. Lucy and Denise are waiting for you, and they will help you with your deliveries.
Great. Let's go. Let's go to the dentist.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Ah, you must be Lucy. I have some deliveries for you. Where is the dentist?
She'll be here soon.
Oh, I have to wait here.
Do you want to do colouring with me?
I like to colour. Yes.
Let's love sign. Colour. Colour. You sign. Colour. Good. Colour.
You give me the red one, please. And what colour will you take?
Blue.
Blue. Cool. Okay.
Oh. Hello, Joe. I'm Dr. Smiley,
Ah, hello, Dr. Smiley.
but you can call me Denise.
Ah, Denise the dentist.
I need a new foot pedal for the dentist chair.
A foot pedal? My first delivery. Oh, wait, here. Oh. Hello. Your teeth. Now.
Joe!
Come on, Joe.
Joe, this is the dentist chair. It needs a new foot pedal.
Yes, my first delivery.
I've got to go help a patient next door, but Lucy will help you. Right, Lucy?
Yes.
Let's fix the chair. Okay. Thank you. I just need tape, please. Oh. Try the foot pedal.
Okay. Twitch your nose. Are you okay?
Oh, yes. Oh, who's this lovely dog?
This is Cany. She helps people relax.
Lucy, can we go play ball?
Well, yeah.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
I love ball.
We have a ball. Go get it, Candy. Yes.
Find the ball, Joe!
Ooh, Joe, let's take a look at that sore tooth. Oh, the light's very bright.
Do you have any sunglasses?
Joe, we need a delivery.
My next delivery. Wait, here.
Oh my goodness.
Glasses!
No, Joe, not those glasses. Sunglasses.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Dizzy.
Let's take a look at that sore tooth.
Yes, it is sore.
Let's love sign. Sore. Sore. You sign. Sore. Good. Sore.
Okay.
You have a delivery for the dog.
Yes! My next delivery!
I know.
Doggy treats. Good girl.
Time to take care of that tooth. Stay still, Joe. Do you want to take a look?
You're doing really well. I'm really proud of you.
All right. There you go, Joe. You're finished.
Thank you, Lucy.
Thank you, Joe. It's time to go.
Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Bye.